The engineers are swarming the embassy, probably looking for what you just picked up.
Can you pull me out?
Not until there's a break in the fighting. You'll have to hold out until then. Those barricades look like the best defensive position nearby.
Copy that.
Five seconds until contact.
Everyone, start searching. I think we have an intruder. Seeing bodies. Everyone on full alert.
مش معقول.
Is this guy still breathing?
That's the last of them for now. Don't relax. The hostiles are getting ready for another charge. Hostile contact in 5 seconds.
Everyone,
خش امي.
someone is here.
Eh?
Everyone on alert. I've got a man down. Keep looking for the intruder. Got a man down. Everyone, keep searching.
Hey, help me look.
We've got an intruder. Fight!
يا خبر. مش معقول.
Keep searching the area. I found a man down.
You see anything?
Nothing here.
The surviving hostiles are pulling back. You've got some breathing room. It looks like they're getting reinforcements. They'll be at your position in 5 seconds.
Everyone, spread out and search. Someone's here. Spread out and find him.
Over there. We have a shooter.
Everyone, spread out. I have multiple casualties. Find the intruders. Friendly is down. Stay on full alert. I have nothing over down. Find the hostile. Multiple casualties. Everyone spread out and I found the body. Stop him.
I'm not seeing any more hostiles inbound for the moment. Watch out! They're gearing up for another assault. Strap in, here they come.
One of our men is down. Everybody, spread out and search. I got men down. Everyone, look for intruders. Everyone, spread out and search. I see multiple bodies.
Nothing here. I need help, sir.
That's the last of that wave. Hang on. They're getting ready for another run at you. You're about to have company. The hostile leader's been designated a high-value target. Bring him in at all costs.
Friendly is down. Find who did it. ده مش موجود هنا. تحركوا. مفيش حد هنا. يلا نمشي. Everyone fan out and search.
Sure.
Out and search.
The HVT is bagged and tagged.
I see.
Catch your breath. They'll be back soon. I'm sending a chopper to pull you out. Or you can stay if you want to crack at another HVT. It's your call.
Hold off on extraction. I'm staying.
We're risking an incident with the Yemeni government if you're discovered.
I'll take that chance. Just give me more shots at HBTs.
Everyone start searching. Spread up.
Get over here now.
Someone's here. Spread out and find him. We got them here. Man down. Watch your backs.
I'm not seeing any more hostiles inbound for the moment. They're just regrouping, not retreating. Strap in, here they come.
Everyone. Spread out and look. We've got company. Intruder in the
you. Five seconds until contact.
Everyone, start a search pattern. Everyone start searching. I think we've got an intruder.
Man down! I think the shooter's there!
That's right! أنا فقدته! ابعد ده!
لا مفيش حل. مفيش حاجة هنا. يلا نمشي.
تمام.
Everyone, spread out and search.
I need some help searching. Yes, yes. انت ايه ده؟
Everyone on full alert.
There he is!
Get him out of there! On it! Watch my back! You're covered! Go! Grenade out! On target! Get ready to move!
مش عارف اشوفه. ابعت التعزيزات دلوقتي!
شو؟ Shot came from over there.
The surviving hostiles are pulling back. You've got some breathing room. Don't relax. The hostiles are getting ready for another charge. Hostile contact in 5 seconds.
Everyone fan out and search.
Here! Take a look.
Everyone, spread out the search. Everyone start a search pattern. Spread out and look. We've got company. I've got nothing.
I'm taking a look. No distractions. Keep on looking.
Catch your breath. They'll be back soon.